Let's look at how to use other people's videos on Facebook and start earning Facebook. Facebook allow us to use other people's content or their videos on our Facebook page, and thank God Facebook monetization has come in so many African countries that they can monetize their content, videos, text and styles. But not everyone can create or put camera in front of him or her and start making their own content, or they don't have any content idea to start creating their own content. So through that, Facebook has given us an opportunity to use other people videos or their content on our wall. But you don't just start up and post people content, just pick the video and posting it. If you do that, Facebook will not allow you to do that. So that means you need to make sure you do something on that video before you can post it on your Facebook page. So that's why I'm taking you through two best ways that you can react to a video and edit it and post it on a Facebook and start earning from those videos. Someone may create his or her own content or video and post it on Facebook. Facebook can pay that person up to $100 on it. The other person also can take that same video, post it on Facebook and earn more than $500 from that video. So Facebook allowed that thing to happen, but you need to make sure you do something about it. If you go to the Facebook policy monetization, this is what it says. This is what it talks about. So without wasting my time, let me jump you to the screen so that we will do everything simple and short. So now we need an editing app that we are going to use. So we are going to use CapCut. Go in and download CapCut, and the next one you can use a screen recorder that you can use that one too. So for the screen recorder it will come late, but let's use the editing tool, that's the CapCut. So this is my app. I go in and open the app. So when you open the app, you see here the screen here, tap on it. The first tutorial, you need to make sure you first record yourself doing something. So I'll use this video. I recorded myself on this one, so I'll use this one. So if you look at this video, while the video is playing, you will see that I'm doing something. Okay, then you will see. Okay, then we are going to add another video to it. That's the reaction video, the video that we are going to react to. So I come to overlay, I come to tab to add. I want to react to this video, so let me choose this video. I'll place my video here and I'll tap on this one, size the video. So when I play the video, you see this. Okay, so you see that. Yes, let me come to this side. So you see where it has stretched the video. Okay, so you see my face coming out. Okay, so let me tap on here and stretch this video. So you see me playing the video. So you see how I did it. Okay, so on this one I'm good in editing, so let's take it out. So Facebook may see that I created it or I reacted to this video. I didn't talk, I didn't do anything, but you see me showing myself pushing and stuff. So that means I'm doing something about it. So let's look at the next one too. I can tap on export to export this one. So for the next one, I'm going to use this video. So for this screen recorder is what we are going to use. If you have inbuilt screen recorder, then you can use that one. If you don't have one, you can go in and download one for yourself. So I've downloaded one here. I'm going to use that one. I'll go to the video that I want to. I'll position myself here. Let me say I put myself here. Okay, then I tap on the video and play that video. Okay, so let me play that video. So playing that video.
You what? It's not important. Sit down.
So let's see if I see art.
Now you listen to me and listen carefully.
sometimes.
I don't care if you own this building. I don't care if you own the whole of Nigeria. Last I checked, I pay the rent here. This is my space. You do not barge into my space. Now get up and get out.
20 million. I will give you 20 million if you quit the theatrics.
So if you look at how this one also I use this one too. This one is also a very good one that you can use, okay, and it's the same as posting other people content or using other people content.